students. Hope you all are safe at your homes, and I also know you all are very excited for your new session. So we are going to start our new session with chapter number 1, that is nutrition in plants. So let's understand what is nutrition. Before that, I want to ask a question that why all living organisms need food? The answer is all living organisms need food to get what? Energy. Second, for their growth. Third, for the repairing of damaged body parts. But the nutrition is what? How the living organisms are taking in food. The process, the way they are taking in the food and utilizing that food for getting energy. So here is what is nutrition. The process of taking in food and utilizing it to get energy is called nutrition. I repeat, nutrition, the process of taking in food and utilizing it to get energy is called nutrition. But there are different methods by which living organisms can obtain their food, and that different ways of obtaining the foods are known as what? Modes of nutrition. That can be written as this way: the methods of obtaining the food are called modes of nutrition. And according to the way how living organisms are getting their food, we have two modes of nutrition. First one is autotrophic mode of nutrition, and second is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So we have two different ways by which living organisms can get their food, that are autotrophic mode of nutrition, second heterotrophic mode of nutrition. And in our today's lecture we will just focus on what? Autotrophic mode of nutrition. I am clear? Now, what is autotrophic mode of nutrition? Autotrophic. This mode of nutrition is basically shown by autotrophs, where you all know autotrophs are what? They are those organisms that are capable of producing their own food. That means for their food They are not dependent on any other organisms like green plants. So, what is autotrophic mode of nutrition? We can say that the mode of nutrition that is used by autotrophs to obtain their food by themselves. Okay, now the question arises, how autotrophs obtain their food? So the answer is, the autotrophs obtain their food through the process of photosynthesis. Through the process of photosynthesis. So, what is photosynthesis? The process by which green plants make their own food. No. Next is how this process takes place. How plants prepare their own food. What is the complete method of photosynthesis? For that, see, this is what basically a plant roots. This is what a leaf. So, what is photosynthesis? In the process of photosynthesis, plants basically require four things that are: first, they need carbon dioxide. Second, they need water. Third, they need sunlight. Fourth, they need chlorophyll. Now, how the plant gets all these four things? First of all, carbon dioxide. Plants get this carbon dioxide from the air. We can say that atmosphere, and this carbon dioxide enters in the leaf of the plant through the small pores that are present on the lower surface of leaves. And you all know that these small pores are known as what? Stomata. This stomata allows the carbon dioxide to get in the leaves. Second is water. Plants absorbs water through their roots. It goes into the stem, then into the leaves. Here I am writing H2O, that means water. Third is sunlight, that they get through the sun. Fourth, the plants require what? Chlorophyll. You all are familiar with this word? Chlorophyll is what? A green color pigment that is present in the leaves. And when All these things combined together in the leaf, they form what? Food for the plant. That is glucose. And glucose is what? Carbohydrate. Plus what is produced? Oxygen that goes outside from the leaf. That means through the process of photosynthesis, plants prepare their own food and gives us what? Oxygen. And in the plant, this process takes place basically where? In the leaf. Therefore, the leaf is known as what? The food factory of the plant. And after this, the plant converts this carbohydrate into starch that we have tasted in potato and in rice in our 6th standard, if you remember. So this is all about our today's lecture. Hope you understand, and your homework for today is first of all, define nutrition. Second, modes of nutrition. And second question is, describe the process of photosynthesis. Goodbye. Have a nice day.